Hi everyone! We're going to learn standard course HSK 1 in this course. I'm going to guide you through the content in this book and share with you my tips and tricks to make it easier for you guys to learn. Turn to page 2, we are going to see lesson 1. The title of lesson 1 is 你好. That is hello in Chinese. Let's go through the text of lesson 1. The text in lesson 1 is simple. I'm going to focus more on the Chinese pronunciation so that you can get used to it easily. A says 你好. Here, pay attention. I show you an easy way for you to get used to it. You just try with N-E-E. Read it as 你. Ni is third tone. But when it's followed with 好 is another third tone. When we have two third tones together, we read it as the second tone. So 你 becomes 你. Pay attention to it. Let's read it together. Read after me. 你 with the second tone. 你好 all together. 你好 Ni is you. Hao is good. Literally, you good. That is hello in Chinese. Read after me again. 你好 你好 Pay attention to the difference between the pronunciation of Chinese letters and English letters. I, we don't pronounce it as I in English. We pronounce it as EE. So it is 你好你好 Let's do it at normal speed. 你好 When someone else says that to you, how do you respond? Just repeat it. 你好 That is text 1. Let's move on to text 2. A says 您好 Ning is you, but that is a more respectful way to say you, to show more respect to the listener. 好 good. 您好 you good. That is hello in a really respectful way for a respectable person. You can see the picture in your textbook. They are talking to an old guy. In Chinese, we use this 您 for someone is old or of a higher position. 您好 B says 你们好 你们好 Men is neutral. We just do it slightly. 你们 That is the plural form of you. We can translate it into you guys. 好 good. You guys good. That is hi guys in English. 你们好 Hi guys. 你们好 That is text 2. Let's move on to text 3. A says 对不起 对不起 Here you can rewrite 对 into D-W-E-I. 对. If you rewrite this U into W, you will find the pronunciation is easier for you. At the very beginning, I recommend you to do this. Rewrite the U into W. It becomes D-W-E-I fourth tone. That is 对 不 You can make it into B-O-O. 不 Here is neutral. Just read it slightly. 起 You can make it C-H-E-E, like a chi in English. All together. 对不起 对不起 That is sorry in Chinese. 对不起 对不起 B says 没 关系没关系没关系 Again, we can rewrite this U into W. Make it into GWAN. 关 关 to make the pronunciation easier for you to say. 关系关系没 that is no in English. 关系 relation. 没关系 Literally, it means no relation. Actually, it means it doesn't matter or that's okay as a response to 对不起, sorry in Chinese. Let's read the text again. 对不起没关系 Let's go through text 1 to text 3 at a slow speed and normal speed. Read after me. 你好，你好，您好，你们好，对不起，没关系。The second time at the normal speed. 你好，你好，您好，你们好，对不起，没关系。The complete HSK1 course contains the full Chinese pronunciation course for beginners, the literal translation for the texts, simplified Chinese grammar elaboration, Chinese speaking practice, textbook exercise tutorials, the stroke-by-stroke Chinese writing section. Additionally, you will get the PDF and MP3 files of the textbook, the workbook, and past test papers of HSK1. Click the link in the description below to get the complete course to skyrocket your Chinese listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills with every lesson.